morning, boys and girls. Happy Sunday to you. I thought we would start off with a craft, and today we're going to make an American flag. And can anybody tell me why we would be making an American flag? What is tomorrow? Good job. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. So you will need one piece of red construction paper, one piece of blue construction paper, one piece of white construction paper, a pair of scissors, and be careful, you may need help from an adult with this one, a blue marker or crayon, glue, and a white crayon. Okay, so you can pause the video and go get everything you need. We're gonna get started. You're gonna take your piece of white construction paper and put it down on the table. And I'm gonna move you guys so that you can see. Hopefully you can see. All right, we have a piece of white construction paper. And then you're gonna take your red piece of construction paper. Now, what is red on the flag? The stripes, good job. We're gonna cut this into strips to make our stripes for our American flag. So we're gonna take it long ways and we're gonna cut strips. And you'll need about 5 1/2 inch to 1 inch strips. 3. 4. 5. So I've got my 5 strips, and I'm going to set them off to the side, and I'm going to begin gluing them on my paper. So I've got my glue. I'm going to put it on the back of the strip, and then I'm going to glue it to the paper so it'll look like that. And I'm going to repeat that step for the rest of my strips. Glue, but I'm going to leave some space. There you go. I'm gonna leave some space so that it makes red and white stripes. So I have red, white, and then we're gonna do red again. Red. Then we have to leave a space for white. Then red, white, and lastly, we're gonna do red. So now I have my stripes for my American flag. Press down so that the glue sticks really well. Then we have our blue piece of construction paper. What is blue on the American flag? Good job, the part with the stars. So what I'm going to do is we're going to cut a square out of the corner of this, okay? So you see your paper, the corner, we're gonna make a square. So we're gonna very carefully take our scissors and cut a square for our American flag. So now we have a square. Once you have your square, we're going to put glue on the back of it. And then we're going to put it on the top corner of our American flag. So it's going to look like this. Now, we've got the red and white stripes. We've got our place for our stars, but we're missing something. What are we missing? Our stars! stars. We're missing our stars. So this white crayon, we're gonna take, and you may need some help. You may not be able to draw stars, but we're gonna take and we're gonna draw some stars on the blue, and the white will show up. Does anybody know how many stars are on an American flag? 50 stars. And what do those 50 stars on the American flag stand for? The 50 states of the United States of America. Good job. Now, I'm not going to be able to fit 50 stars on here because I'm just not that good. You may be, and that's awesome. But I got some stars on there. It looks pretty good. Then you're going to ask your parents for help, and we're going to write a Bible verse on our American flag to help us remember that the American flag stands for the freedom, and we're going to help this American flag, the scripture from the Bible, is going to help us remember how God gave us true freedom. And so that scripture is 2 Corinthians 3:17. In 2 Corinthians 3:17, it says, where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. So that's what we're going to write on our flag. 2 Corinthians 3:17, where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. And in our Sunday school lesson today, we're going to talk about that freedom. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you in just a minute. Bye, guys.